There's a bunch of ways out there of how to make coffee. What if I told you that the perfect coffee cup could be made in your own house? You know how? Well, you're in luck, because today we'll see just how a coffee machine works and everything that happens inside of it. Let's take a look. In a drip coffee machine, water is heated, then taken up through the tubes and out the top into the coffee grounds. Lastly, it drips into the carafe or jar as the drinkable liquid we call coffee. We can use between a permanent filter, which is made for multiple uses, or we can use a disposable one, which is then thrown away after a single use. But how much coffee do we use? We can use the golden coffee ratio, which is 1 to 17. This means that for each unit of coffee, we use 17 units of water. If we use less water, we will get a stronger taste, and if we use more water, we will get a weaker taste. For example, for 1 cup of coffee or 250 grams, we divide by the water unit to give us the amount of grounded coffee we need. This would be 1 tablespoon or 15 grams. It's also important to note that we add more water than the amount of drinkable coffee we want. This is because some water is lost while heating and other is trapped in the used coffee grounds. With all this, we are ready to make coffee. First, we add our tablespoon of coffee grounds along with our water. Water starts to go down and immediately starts to level. Making sure the machine is plugged in, we turn it on. While the machine is on, it heats up in the water in the tubes as well as the base on which the carafe or jar is on. There's a sensor in the machine that turns it off and on automatically so that the water is not overheated. Water rises due to the forming bubbles, then flows out of the shower head into the coffee grounds, passing through the filter, and finally dripping into the carafe. When the dripping stops, we can turn the machine off. The last step is to throw away the used coffee grounds in the filter. And that's it. And that's how the drip coffee machine works. Enjoy, and until next time.